Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematical Lens by Namita. In this video, we are going to continue with chapter A Peek Beyond the Point of Grade 7 Mathematics of the new NCERT textbook Ganit Prakash. Right? So last time we talked about a 10th part. Now we'll see what is a 100th part. Right? So now you see here is a sheet of paper shown. The length of the sheet of paper, it is 8 whole. This is 8 whole parts, okay, and 9 upon 10 units. You can see it is just before this 9, the smaller line. You see the smaller line, okay. So 8 whole, 9 upon 10 units is the length of this sheet of paper, or you can say 8 units and 9 1/10. Okay. Now suppose this is folded into half along its length, right? So lengthwise we fold it from here. So what is its length now? Let us see that. So here on the next page, we can say that its length now. Here see the first picture. Here the sheet is shown again, 8 whole, 9 upon 10, right? And then in the second picture it is folded, right? So if you see the folded part, it is between 4 whole, 4 upon 10 and 4 whole, 5 upon 10. So you can see this is 4 upon 10, this a little longer line is 5 upon 10. It is somewhere in between that, right? So how to give an exact measurement? This will not be an exact measurement, this will be an estimation, right? So because there are no markings between these smaller lines, okay. So earlier what we did, when it was difficult to read between 0 and 1, 1 and 2, the whole parts we divided into 10 smaller parts. Now what we do, we do the similar thing. We divide this 1/10, this 2 smaller lines which are there, into 10 more parts, right? Now an enlarged picture of that is shown. See the next picture, this one. So here you can see this is 4 whole, this is 5 whole, correct? Now this is showing 4 whole, 1 upon 10, 4 whole, 2 upon 10, like that till 4 whole, 9 upon 10. This smaller lines, this part is enlarged, right? A magnified part is shown. Now, because here it was difficult to imagine how to divide this small into 10 parts, but in real life it is dividing, okay? So now if you see here, this 4 whole and 4 1 upon 10 can be divided further into 10 more parts, right? So now what will happen over here if we divide this into 10, each 1/10 has 10 smaller parts, then that 10 1/10 in a unit. Therefore, there will be 100 smaller parts in a unit. So there the length of one part will be 1 upon 100. So what are we doing? Here there are 10 parts between one whole. Between 4 and 5 whole, right now there are 10 parts. And if we divide this each into 10 parts, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This 10, 10, 10, 10 like that, total parts, smaller parts will be 100. So each part, this like 1, the first one will be 1 upon 100, 4 whole, 1 upon 100. So we are dividing one whole into how many parts? 100 parts now. So if we return to our question, what was our question? What is the length of the folded paper, right? So we can say that now, if you see the enlarged part, the folded part is somewhere in the middle of these two. So 4 whole This is 4 whole 4 upon 10. Now this is, if we count from here, 1 upon 100, 2 upon 100, 3 upon 100. So this will be 4 upon 100 and then it is exactly in the middle. So it is 5 upon 100. So we can say that it ends at 5 upon 100. After what? After 4 whole 4 upon 10. Right? So 4 units, you can read it as 4 units, 4 1/10 and 45 100. Right? So what you can do, actually what we are doing here, we are dividing 1 upon 100 multiplied by 10. So you will get 1 upon 10. Right? So actually you can understand this way, 10 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 10 because this 10 gets cancelled. Right? So this 4 upon 10 can be understood as 40 upon 100. 4 upon 10 can be understood as 40 upon 100 and this is 50 upon 100. If you understand it that way in terms of 100, so in the middle it would be 45 upon 100. Right? So this can also be written in the similar way, like how many 100s, if we can understand this in terms of 100, how many 100 make 1/10, we can also say that 4 units and 45 hundredths. So that is what I just explained here. This part you should understand, that 1 upon 100 into 10 parts, you are getting 10 parts of 1 upon 100. So if you cancel 0, 0, each part is 1 upon 10. So 10 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 10. That is why 4 upon 10 is also equal to 40 upon 100. 4 upon 10 can be written as 40 upon 100. I am writing it again, explaining it again because this is a bit difficult to understand. 5 upon 10 can be written as 50 upon 100. Whenever you are making 100 parts, convert 10th also into 100th. So it's easy for you to understand. Now what comes between 40 and 50, exactly in the center would be 45. So this can be clubbed together and it can be written as 4 whole 45 upon 100. Okay, that's why it can be read as 4 units, that is 4 whole 45 100. Right? So instead of writing it as 4 whole 4 upon 10, 5 upon 100, we can club 4 and 5 and write as 45 100. I hope this is clear because I am taking more time on this. Once you understand it, it's easy for you to do it further. Based on the above understanding, there is a number line given over here. You have to notice the markings and the corresponding lengths written in the boxes when measured from 0. Fill in the empty boxes. So here this is 0, this is 1 whole, this is 2 whole. You can see this is 1 whole, this is 2 whole. Right? So you have to understand this and then fill in the boxes which are asked. Right? So let us first come to this point. So this is 0. If you understand, this is 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10. So this will be 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10, right? Like that, this is 5 upon 10, right? Now what I just explained you, 5 upon 10 can be written as 50 upon 100. So this can be written as, this is 6 upon 10, it can be written as 60 upon 100. So if we see, this is the 5th line. If you count the smaller lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So between 50 and 60, which number will be there? It is 55 upon 100. So if you convert this 10th, I told you earlier that if you convert it into this 10th into 100, it would be easier for you to identify, right? So now this is going, so 55, 60, this is 70, 80, 90. So naturally this will be 99 upon 100, right? So now let us go further. if we see this, this is 1, or it can be said as 100 upon 100. 1, you remember, it is 100 upon 100 because this 0, 0 will be cancelled. This is 1 whole. Also before that is 99 upon 100. So it will be exactly after that. So 100 upon 100. Right. So this, there is 5 difference. So this will naturally be 110 upon 100. So this is 120 upon 100. Right. So this is 130 upon 100. Okay, so this, how is it counted? This is 130 upon 100. This is exactly this one, the bigger line. Okay, this is already written, so I'm explaining that. Now after that comes, this is, the next line should be 140 upon 100. So this should be 150 upon 100. So this is 160 upon 100. Now see, again, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth line between 150 and 160. So what will be the number? It will be 155. What comes exactly between 155 and 160? So 155 is the fifth line. So 155 upon 100. Right? Let me write it once again so that it's clear. One 55 upon 100. This number will be 155 upon 100. Now let us go further. This is 160, so this is 170, and this is 180, right? 170 upon 100. So after that, if you count the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, this is fourth line, not the fifth line. Now it is not exactly in the center, and this we saw. This is 170 upon 100, and this is 180 upon 100. So fourth line after 170, so it would be 174 upon 100. Correct? Then the next, let us see, it is still here. So this becomes 2. 2 whole means this is 190 upon 100. So this is naturally 200 upon 100. So this 0, 0 will be cancelled. It becomes 2 whole. Now after 2 whole, there are 2 smaller lines. Right? So 2 smaller lines means 202 upon 100. Clear? Now these are 10 parts. So this will be 210 upon 100. This is 220 upon 100. This is 230 upon 100. Right? So now what is this number? This is exactly on the longer line. So after 230 comes 240 upon 100, right? And last one would be 250 upon 100. These are not asked, but I am writing so that you understand the sequence, the pattern and the number line, and you can easily identify the numbers which are asked. So I hope you have understood how to mark the numbers on the number line. We'll continue with this chapter in the next video. Thank you.